car and drive on out of here. And we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. Our faces on the front page will be public enemies. We'll live our lives like outlaws and we'll feel what we need. We'll rob some banks, gun down some cops, make off across the fields. Our love will just get stronger with the whole world at our heels. Lay your head upon my shoulder, it's so good to know you're there. And we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. They can hate us, they can hound us, we won't even care, 'cause we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. One day they may corner us like rats in a trap, but can anybody else say that they never felt like that? Some get scared and some get mad, some just run away, but we'll shout death or freedom, go out with guns ablaze. Lay your head upon my shoulder, it's so good to know you're there. And we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. Our love will be like dynamite, exploding everywhere. And we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. Just lay your head upon my shoulder, it's so good to know you're there. And we feel like Bonnie and Clyde. Let them chisel on our tombstones the names they learn to fear.